All right, Hunter, what are we doing today?
Getting an engine.
What do we get an engine for?
Go
All right, what kind of engine?
an engine.
Here comes a bride, all dressed in white. Here comes a bride, and she's all dressed in white. Cheers! Cheers!
Tell us what we're doing today. What are we going to go look at?
We're going to go look at a 11 horse and a 13 horse Honda small engines for a go-kart project. Yeah, we're not expecting much. They've been sitting outside for quite a few years. You know, they're rusty, grimy looking. But hey, for the money,
Yeah, if they're running.
it's worth looking at.
What's going to be the make or break on these motors for you?
Basically, as long as we got compression, they should be good. They're Hondas.
What do you think? What's your thoughts? Do you think it's doable?
Sure. Anything can be fixed.
Exactly.
This may be a trip to the junkyards, but
Who knows?
you know, what the hell? It's a beautiful day out. Go
Why
for a
not?
ride.
So what do you think? First thing is just tear it down and just
Yeah, we'll get it
pull all
back.
the accessories off, get the engine isolated, and then
Yeah, do a compression check on it and see how bad the compression really is.
Yeah.
If it's so bad, then we might go to plan B.
all right, cool.
And I will always love you. Alright, you start, wait.
A little rusty in there.
Is it?
Yep.
See the piston down in there.
I hate the Hondas.
What's that?
Easy enough. I've got spark.
We do?
Yep.
There you go. Yep. We got spark.
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers!
So we're trying to get the thing to just fire over. We got spark. We know that. TJ just sprayed a bunch of chemical directly into the cylinder to see if we can get it to crank over. So, moment of truth. That one worked. And it'll be a sleeper because it says 11 horse and it's actually 13. It'll be a sleeper cart. Well, let me see. We got compression. We had spark, and we got air. Oh! I'll let TJ do the honors of reconnecting that. Hey, you know, at least you got a good workout.
Great! I'll call y'all.
He does need a shot.
Alright, this is it. Watch this.
Alright, that's all I needed to hear.
So we can make it work?
I think we can make it work.
Hey.
Cheers!
Fire, air, compression. That makes power.
Elephant in
turned on.
Yeah.
Disconnecting the oil sensor. That's it, 9 times out of 10, that's your problem. These old Hondas.
Yep. Spark we got.
Cheers! Cheers! Front of the left, you two don't matter, and TJ and I don't matter.
Ready? Go! Gotta make noises, Becky. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Go! Alright, so you want to give us a rundown on what happened? This is actually the 13, but we put the pull string for the 11 on it because that's the 11. The pull string for the 13 was bad, so disregard that. That's actually a 13. And it looks like you've done some work to it. What are we looking at here? What happened?
Well, of course, sitting out in the woods, fuel tank, carburetor, everything had water in it.
Oh, yeah.
For a long, long time. So basically, we just pulled the gas tank off its shot, pulled the carburetor,
Cleaned
all
it
this
up.
good stuff up, cleaned it up, soaked it for a few hours and cleaned it up, slapped it back on there, put some gas to her, and yeah, she ran great.
For about.
Well, no, runs great, but if you want to see something cool, this is the oil that came out of it.
See that? Oh, God.
And yeah, a bunch in there. It was water.
Oh, yeah, that's
when I
like.
took the cap off. Thank God we didn't run it without
Yeah, exactly. So
checking the oil, because it's probably got half a quart of water out of it.
Okay.
But
So
the damnedest thing, it runs.
so it ran. How long did it run for?
I ran it probably for just 5 minutes
Okay.
because I got the cleaner in the crankcase to try to clean
Gotcha.
it.
So there was some rust in there we are a little concerned about, but hopefully if you just run it long enough, it'll go away, right?
Yeah, sure.
So today what you want to do, you said you're going to change the oil again, get that oil just to clean it.
Yeah, we're gonna
Change the oil out and run it for a little bit longer today?
No, actually, we're gonna run it probably for about 15 minutes today.
With the oil that's in it?
With the oil that's in
Okay.
it. I checked the oil. It's dirty, but it's not white or anything.
Okay,
So,
okay.
So I think I got most of the moisture out of the crankcase.
Okay.
But,
All right.
by the way, I am a house painter. I am not a mechanic. I would not do any of this.
Yeah, I'm a musician, so hey, we're in the same.
So,
We'll see what
So-
that's what's going to make this interesting. I mean, if you're a professional, who wants to see that, right?
that's it.
I
Yeah.
can't wait to see the comments. What are you doing, you idiots?
Oh yeah. Yeah, no doubt about that.
So this
Do
is the
not judge.
Yeah. So this is the 11 horse, basically the identical engine. And what are we doing to this one today?
We're gonna do the same thing we did to the 13. We're gonna ixnay the fuel tank because it's toast.
Yeah.
It's solid rust inside. I mean, you can see the condition.
Yeah.
Just pull the carb off. We checked it yesterday for spark. We do have spark.
Cool.
So we'll pull the carb off. Pray maybe that this one's not full of water. Check the oil
All right.
and
Just give it a run through, see if it'll
yeah,
fire.
back together and see what happens.
All right. All right. And this is cool what you built here. This is kind of make life easier, huh? You just bolted the motors up to there with a universal gas tank.
Yeah, kind of, sort of. So I can switch the hose between the two.
Just workbench it. Yeah.
Yeah, just workbench it. It's not very sturdy.
Yeah, we'll see.
Haven't run an engine on this table ever, so we'll see what happens when we fire one of these.
We'll see if it can handle 13 horses.
If not, it'll make for entertainment.
Yeah, exactly.
That's for
See, we're about entertainment, not about educating.
sure. Or doing things right. That's for sure.
Awesome.
The bass,
The bass, the bass,
bass,
the bass, the bass,
bass,
the bass, the bass,
bass.
the bass, the bass. I don't know what that was.
Oh,
Almost first try. More smoke. Alright, let's see what the oil looks like here. Ooh, that's a little creamy.
It's probably going to take a couple oil changes.
Yeah. Looks like chocolate. Tasty. Alright, so what TJ has done here is we got the 13 horse running, and we actually let it run for about 15 minutes. We're cycling the oil because there's still some water in it. But we're working on the 11 horse now, and he cleaned the carburetor, but the float bowl had a big rusty hole in it. So we stole the float bowl from this motor, and also the pull rope, which actually initially belonged to that motor. So hang tight, we're going to pull the string. We did get it to start on ether, or just cranked over real quick on ether, but we're actually going to hook up gas in the carburetor. And hopefully we'll have good luck with this. Hunter, tell us, what do you think about working on engines?
Fun.
You think it's going to be fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. You going to get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
You going to get your hair dirty?
Hopefully not. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah? Shouldn't be firing out the...
No.
Cameraman needs to learn how to use the camera. Alright, so we got the gas. We're working on it anyway. Alright, so we got it to fire over with the ether, so what are your predictions?
It's going to run like a rape date.
Okay.
I am going to make my life a little easier.
Wow. Alright guys, so that's it for this episode. All we're going to do now is basically cycle the oil, make sure that all the water and whatnot's out of it. So, I'm Chad.
I'm TJ.
We'll see you next time.
Here comes a bride, all dressed in white.